The world of container terminals is in constant flux. The art of efficient operations is managing the daily tasks as planned and reacting swiftly and flexibly to any sudden disruptions. One goal is to keep your container yard inventory accurate, avoiding costly interruptions that erode customer trust. Lost containers can accumulate to several hundred person days per year. With automation, you can achieve operational efficiency and improve your workforce's safety. By tracking the moves of all your container handling equipment, such a solution gives you a complete and real-time record of every single container's location. Terminal Tracker by Identex Solutions provides you container yard inventory accuracy in an invisible way, making your life easier and your container terminal the best it can be.